Hello, today we're gonna talk about new functionality in Saferoom which is called one-time password. Right now when you work with Saferoom, you work only with one password. This is a master password that is used to encrypt and decrypt your notes. One-time password functionality allows you to specify a separate standalone one-time password per note. If you don't want to use your master password for some specific notes, you can use one-time password for that, which will be different from the master password. Let me demonstrate this functionality on the example. Here I have the Saferoom window. Let's go to Evernote. Let's move this note to our encrypt inbox. And let's encrypt it without clicking the checkbox use one-time password. This note will be encrypted using a standard password. Okay. The errors of PDF import that you have seen are correct because, as we mentioned before, when the PDF is encrypted, Evernote cannot understand it, and that's why it cannot index that. It's just saying us, okay, I detected a PDF, but I don't know how to index that, which is correct because it is encrypted PDF. Now, this is our new note. Let's move it directly to a decrypt inbox and run the decryption once again. Okay. Now this is my note, already decrypted. Now let's remove it and make the same operation, but this time I'm gonna encrypt the note using a different password. Okay. I have just selected the one-time password. It means that I will use a password which is different from a master one. And let's run it. Now the system asks you to specify this temporary or one-time password. Let's specify test 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now our note is encrypted. We are getting the same PDF recognition errors, which is fine. Alright. And here we have our encrypted note. Now let's move it to a decrypt inbox, so we can test directly the decryption. Okay, here we are. And this is our with the new password. Now I'm gonna unclick the use one-time password option, and that means that right now the system will try to decrypt this note using my master password. Let's see how it goes. As you can see, there is a decryption error, and decryption error will tell us HMAC mismatch. It means that the password that it was used for encryption is not the same that I tried to use for decryption. It is a correct behavior because I used a different one. Now let me try once again, but this time telling exactly which one I used. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now it works. Using one-time password functionality, you can encrypt notes and share them with other people without exposing your master password. Remember, master password is only for you, so you can protect only your notes. Do not share your master password with anybody. The one-time password functionality exactly tries to solve the problem with sharing. And in the next video, we will show you how to share encrypted notes and encrypted notebooks between different users.